for Sunday. A lot of people knowing that they don't have to go back to work tomorrow quite yet. Maybe you're planning for some Memorial Day events, planning for a parade or two. I'm going to get you the forecast for that. Again, I can just give you a little teaser. It's looking gorgeous, but a few of you could run into some sprinkles, and I want to show you who that might be. We'll also talk about the summer-like weather that we have leading into the first day of June. So what have we seen so far this weekend? Well, a lot of 70s, which, I mean, for this weekend, some would consider perfect. You don't want it too hot, scorching, and you don't want it too cold. If you've been along the lake, it has gotten a little chilly at times, but I mean, long sleeve shirt and you're good to go. Yesterday we hit 74. Let's take a look at where we were today. 77 in Cleveland. A lot of 80s on the outskirts of the state. Toledo, Findlay, Youngstown, 81 to 82. And then closer to the lake, of course, upper 70s. Tomorrow, again, I think we'll be tacking on another couple degrees, which has just been the trend over the last several days. Also, guys, if you have a question about the forecast that you're curious about, timing or anything like that, drop a comment. If I don't cover it in this video, as always, I will go back through and return your comments. So temperatures today, very comfortable, warm, a little warmer than seasonable for this time of year, and you probably noticed a few more clouds in the sky today. Well, that is all coming from that low pressure system that is in the southeast right now, hanging out in the Carolinas, starting to creep into Kentucky, kind of top right hand corner of Tennessee there as well, and West Virginia, excuse me. Here at home, I'm not expecting any rain activity really, other than maybe a quick shower in our southern communities. So if I zoom in here, get a little closer to home, you'll notice the cloud increase, especially near the Canton area, and we do have some spotty showers near Lima. But again, all of this not impacting us here at home, just bringing a few extra clouds. So that means for tonight, if you were planning on going to watch some fireworks, you're good to go. We're going to be probably in the mid 60s around that 8 to 10 p.m. Hour. Partly cloudy skies. Now let's go ahead and walk through Futurecast. A couple changes here as we head into the work week. One, well, Memorial Day, we'll have a few more clouds around, similar to today. Temperatures will be slightly warmer, and as I said, a few of you might see a sprinkle early morning. And it's with that low pressure system that will start to drift north and then drift east as we head towards tomorrow afternoon. So this evening, mid 60s, we will fall to the upper 50s by early morning tomorrow. Clouds become more scattered for Monday morning, afternoon, and there's just that little blip of a shower near the Canton, Carrollton area. So south of Route 30, the north of Route 30, you guys are going to be sitting under more sun than clouds. Temperature-wise tomorrow will be right around 80 degrees, likely on either side of it, depending on how close you are to the lake. And then Monday evening, clearing skies, temperatures falling back into the 60s. So, as I said, Memorial Day, any events in the morning versus afternoon, they're both a go. A little more comfortable if you have an aversion to the heat, I would say in the morning. A sprinkle south possible. Ignore that stray shower in the afternoon tomorrow, but we will be near 80. And a lot of boats out on the water. Let's get you your boating forecast. Tomorrow, again, the water is still chilly, but it's warming up fairly quickly. With all the heat that we've had, the dry weather we've had. Tomorrow, less than 2-foot waves, same for Tuesday, but both days will hold just slightly more chop than we saw today. Again, factor in, though, that boat traffic. Once we get towards the middle of the work week, we're staying dry, we're tapping into some humidity, and temperatures are turning up. As for next weekend, that's when we have our next chance of just a small shower. And I want to show you this here looking ahead. We stay dry. We've got rain to the south, rain to the west, but you'll notice that none of it is really very organized, I would say. So Friday and Saturday, I just have a very isolated chance of a shower in there for you. With that said, again, you'll notice not super organized at this time. So we're going to have to keep an eye on it as we head towards next weekend. The likely chance is that a frontal boundary will drop through Friday night into Saturday, or maybe Saturday into Sunday, and that will then drop our temperatures from the 80s back to the 70s. So if you're like, whoa, 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 summer is coming on a little too strong, don't worry. We're back in the 70s next Saturday through Monday. And again, it's going to be mostly dry at this point, it looks, but we will have that chance of an isolated shower with that frontal boundary dropping through. So I hope you are all enjoying this nice dry weather. And I hope you have a safe weekend. If you have any questions again about something I didn't cover, drop those comments. Let me know what you guys are doing for Memorial Day. And if you have any Memorial Day events that are going on that you want to get the word out about, drop a comment in there about those as well. Take care.